Today I'm reviewing this PROTMEX Cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench. The company sent this to me so I could give you my honest thoughts after testing it out. If you've ever struggled with stubborn bolts or heavy-duty jobs, this might be the tool you're looking for. Now, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The first thing you'll notice is that you get this awesome hard carrying case. Not only does it help to keep the impact wrench and everything that comes with it organized and easy to bring with you on the go, but it also helps keep it safe from damage. When we open the case, you can see that in addition to the instruction manual and warranty information from the company, you get the impact wrench itself, two 21-volt batteries, and each of them has a battery indicator that allows you to see the level of charge on the battery, which can be very handy. And let me attach this battery now to the impact wrench. You'll also get a charger that tops the batteries off in about 2 hours. PROTMEX also includes 4 impact sockets, 17, 19, 21, and 24 millimeters, plus an extension for those hard to reach jobs. There's even a built-in LED light, which is super handy when you're working in dimly lit spaces. Lastly, you get these O-rings and pins. The pins slide into the holes on the sockets and into the square drive on the wrench. So let me demonstrate. We'll line up the holes here with the one on the drive. We will put the pin in the hole. I think I put it on a little too far. Put the pin in the hole, and once it's in the hole, all we need to do is then roll this O-ring over the top, and it keeps the socket secure in those instances when you might be worried about it falling off when you're using it. One thing I noticed right away with this impact wrench is its build quality. Compared to lighter duty wrenches I've used, this one feels heavier and more solid. Definitely designed for tougher jobs. On the wrench, you've got 3 forward speeds to choose from, and you can select them right here. So you can adjust the RPMs and the associated impacts per minute depending on the task. In reverse, it runs at a fixed speed, which keeps things simple when you're loosening bolts. And here's the big one. This wrench delivers up to 900 foot-pounds of torque, or 1,200 Newton meters. That's serious power for tackling stubborn fasteners and heavy-duty jobs. Another feature worth pointing out is that this PROTMEX impact wrench uses a brushless motor. That's important because brushless motors are more efficient, generate less heat, and last longer since there are no brushes to wear out. The result is a stronger, more consistent torque while also getting better battery life. In other words, you're getting more power and durability in the same tool. When you are actually working with this wrench is when it really shines. Its torque and durability make a big difference. And the LED light is super helpful, and having 2 batteries means I can keep one charging while I use the other, helping to avoid downtime. So here is a clip of me loosening the lug nuts on a car tire. Just look at how it makes short work of this job. I also want you to notice the brake stop. The brake stop feature is designed to stop the impact wrench's rotation once a fastener is loosened, preventing the nut or bolt from spinning off uncontrollably. This helps avoid losing fasteners and reduces the risk of damaging something. In this next clip, I've tightened up one of the lug nuts and I'm taking it off again. You will notice the brake stop feature engages like it did before, but in this instance, I wanted to spin the nut off all the way. So I simply pull the trigger again, and as you can see, it worked great. Now look at how fast I was able to put the lug nuts on after getting them started by hand. After just 12 seconds, I was able to give them their final tightening with my torque wrench like I normally do. It's absolutely amazing how much time this tool saves me. But its usefulness isn't just limited to working on your vehicle. You can use it for all sorts of other things. Here I'm using it to help me work on an old snowblower that has a bunch of rusty bolts on it. So overall, this cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench is a solid choice if you need more power for demanding jobs. This tool gives you professional level power without breaking the bank. And when you consider its 900 foot-pounds of torque, brushless motor, included accessories, and long warranty, it's an incredible value. Not only is this a great addition for work and home, but it also makes a thoughtful gift. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.